As an energy-efficient executive bungalow, 36 Golden Eagle features solar panels and ICF to the rafters.
Let's check out this green home.
The open concept great room has a living room with propane fireplace and a dining room with doors to the large back deck.
The kitchen showcases the home's well thought out design, with beautiful cabinetry and finishes and extra high ceilings to allow natural light.
And just down the hall, you'll find a large walk-in pantry.
Off the great room is a full bathroom and 2 bedrooms.
Including the primary, which has 2 walk-in closets.
And this luxurious ensuite bathroom with a soaker tub and a tiled walk-in shower.
The attached double-car garage has 2 EV chargers, and also on this level, you'll find laundry.
Let's head downstairs.
The walkout lower level has its own family room, 2 bedrooms, another bathroom, and ample storage. Built by Starlight Construction, this home also features a full forced air heat pump.
For more information on 36 Golden Eagle Drive,
Visit FrederictonHomes.com.